Hey everybody, it's me, Jeff Acosta. Hey, how you guys all doing? Well, welcome to another video blog, and before we go on, as always, don't forget to subscribe. And if you know anybody who has Asperger syndrome, autism, and they need some type of inspiration, please tell them about my YouTube channel right here, where you can check out all my past adventures, blogs, and many more. My Instagram page with all of my collages, and most of all, my professional Facebook page, all of the same name, Meat Writer Jeff Acosta. And as always, I'm called Meat Writer Jeff Acosta because I have my own online copyrighted children's book series I've written and illustrated for 20 years now. Still hold hope of being professionally published one day, but the way you can help out is by going on to the albums links right there, and then just click on any album, which is the books. Click on the very first illustration you see, and that is the title cover, and then you can start reading my books and checking out my illustrations. Check out my books, everybody, and see if there's any chance to be discovered by a professional publisher, or first by a literary agent, which can help me get into a professional publisher, or both. Just anything just to help get me out there, to see if I could be in print someday. But it feels good I can copyright my books and put them out there for people to check out for the time being. All right, everybody. Man, it's so interesting. After I wash my hair like the night before, then it's just my hair sticks up a bit. And then, because I'm sure you notice the difference sometimes in some of my pictures. But anyways, all right. So I'm heading out again for the weekend to be with my family. I'm going to go up to Reno, see my parents, and then but also tonight we're going to be heading out to the Lake Tahoe Shakespeare Festival. So it'd be kind of cool. I haven't been to a Shakespeare Fest in many years. I don't remember what show we're going to see tonight. I feel like maybe it was something about Robin Hood. I don't know. I'll find out tonight, like when we get there. And then the next day we're going to take a day trip out to Southern California to see a cousin of mine who's going to Gnomon. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. Gnomon Visual College, or sorry, Gnomon College of Visual Arts for their open day, which is. Because that school is exclusive. I guess you could almost say exclusive to like a lot of big folk who want to go into like the film industry, and some execs from like Disney and I think Warner Brothers and all of them have done lectures there. So it'll be pretty cool to see. I don't know for sure though if pictures and video will be allowed at the open day, but hopefully at least in their lobby and some other parts of the school will be, and then I could share that. So all right, everybody. Well, hey, I got to get to the train station. Let's get to Reno, and then and for this big, busy, and great weekend. Alright, I'm back in Reno. Mom should be here any moment, so I'll have a chance to quickly run to the restroom and look right down there. There's the train. That's cool. Okay, so we're going to soon be heading off to Lake Tahoe for the Shakespeare Festival. It was a nice train ride, as I said. I really liked meeting those people. Man, it took me a moment to say that. And it just shows I'm a little tired, especially since I didn't sleep well the previous night. But it was just, even though I'll probably never see them again, they were really wonderful people. Maybe run into them again someday. All right, well, had a chance to quickly wash up, and boy, even though I didn't put any shampoo or anything in my hair, man, my hair still looks so interesting. After the night before, like when shampooing it and everything. Oh well. All right, well, let's head off to the Shakespeare Festival, and once we're there, I'll find out like exactly what show we're going to see, and then I'll put it for this video. All right, let's get to Lake Tahoe and the Shakespeare Festival. Like the venue. We're going to birthday tomorrow, and my God, that was the best. This is cool. The cast and crew are funny. Oh my gosh, like just the way they were telling Robin Hood, like as if like with Maid Mary in disguise as a man. It's just so funny. And also, I couldn't believe it, they parodied a Harry Potter spell, and also mentioned a joke from Shrek. was the gumdrop buttons and Expelliarmus. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see what the last half of the show is like.
Bravo! Bravo!
That was awesome. What a great time with my parents at the Lake Tahoe Shakespeare Festival, and the cast and crew of The Heart of Robin Hood were amazing. I wish there was a chance to like meet some of them after the show, but oh well, it's okay. At least I got the curtain call and also a couple pictures during that wonderful ending. All right, well, it's late at night, so I'm gonna have to try to get something of sleep because we're not gonna get much sleep because we gotta be out of the house at 4:15 in the morning. So I hope I can get something of sleep, like especially not getting enough sleep the previous night. But at least tomorrow we're gonna be off to Southern California for the day to meet up with my family down there and see Gnomon College of Visual Effects. Can't wait to see it. Okay, we're about to board the plane. Yep, and we're going to be on our way first to Phoenix, then change planes and go to Burbank. It'll be great to see my cousin's visual arts college. And thank goodness I got TSA pre-check. After what happened to me back in Texas back in March of this year, I don't want to go through that again, so it felt good to not have to wait in a long line. All right, let's get on the plane. Alright, we made it to Burbank. Alright, pretty soon we should be hooking up with the family for the open house at Gnomon. Let's see if any pictures or video will be allowed to be taken there. I hope so. Wow, this is pretty cool. Wow. 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 This is part 3 printed. Wow, I like it. That's cool. Wow. This is so cool. Back to Reno we go. What a great day this has been with the family. I loved it. What a great feeling. All right, good morning. Okay, well, it was a great weekend with the family. You know, my cousin's school was amazing. I wish you folks could have actually seen it in person. It's just incredible. All the visual effects, the art. It was amazing. I loved it. And I definitely got a little bit more sleep last night, but I still feel a little deprived of rest. But that's okay. I can sleep on the train on my way back home. All right, everybody. Well, it's time to head back home. I got to go back to work tomorrow at the time of me making this video, that is. And then just enjoy the rest of Sunday before then, and we'll go from there. All right, let's head back home. All right, I'm finally home. Train was delayed by 2 hours. Hence why I felt like I was a little bit of a monster. Even though I was not really. I just wanted to take pictures with those 3 plush toys at a grocery store since they already got the Halloween stuff out. But it just feels good to be home, even if it was 2 hours late. All right, everybody. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video of the Lake Tahoe Shakespeare Festival and Gnomon College of Visual Effects combined. It was a great weekend. Didn't get a lot of sleep, except for this morning before I had to get up for the train. But it was all worth it. All right, everybody. Well, hey. Let me see what else is going to be going on these next couple of days before I finally decide to release this video to all of you, and then we'll go from there. All right, everybody, I'll see you in the next video blog. See ya!